Did you know you can share a link on your Snapchat story? Adding a link is simple and effective. Follow this guide to learn how. Open Snapchat and take a snap or upload one from your camera roll. Once your snap is ready, tap on the arrow on the right side of the screen. Then click on the paperclip icon here. A search bar will appear. Here, enter the link you want to share. For example, you can open YouTube, copy a video link and paste it here. After entering the link, tap the search button at the bottom right corner. The web page for the link will load. To add the link to your story, tap Attach to Snap at the bottom of the screen. The link is now added to your snap. Adjust the link size and position on your snap as desired. Optionally, add stickers, text, or effects to make your story more engaging. When you're ready, tap Story to share it with all your followers. That's it! Your Snapchat story now has a clickable link that your audience can explore. By pressing and holding the link on your story, followers can access the attached web page directly. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, follow for more social media tips and tricks.